Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Well-being. Well-being means state of being comfortable or happy. For example, an improvement in the patient's well-being. An improvement in the patient's well-being. Synonyms: welfare, health, good health.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Pet ownership has well-documented positive effects on physical well-being. Now, repeat after me. Pet ownership has well-documented positive effects on physical well-being. The second exemplar. We would also like to satisfy ourselves as to your health and well-being. Now, repeat after me. We would also like to satisfy ourselves as to your health and well-being. The third exemplar. It is essential for health and well-being to maintain a positive attitude to life. Now, repeat after me. It is essential for health and well-being to maintain a positive attitude to life.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
There are 7 ways to spell the sound EE in English. This sentence contains all of them. He believed Caesar could see people seizing the seas.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.